I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of my 12-foot animated hovering witch from Home Depot. See this? She has some instructions on the box, actually. And then her stuff is inside. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is put together her base, which is part A and part B. And don't fly away from the instructions. I need you. There you go. Okay, so part A and part B. So I have to get part C, which is like a little pole that has these little prongs on the sides. Okay, so I have to put on her broom, and I think I'm going to do that off camera because it is very difficult, and it looks a lot easier, but you have to like spread the little branches out or else it's not going to go on there because it's really tight and really pokey and it's not fun, but I'm going to do it off camera, so I'll see you when I have it done. Okay, so I put the broom on, which was not very difficult, and now I have to put this piece in there, this little thing, and I think you hook it on inside because it's a little hook. So I think you're supposed to hook it on right here, and then, yeah, okay. So now that I got the cords through, I have to put this and hook it on right on that little loop. That's right there. Oh, there you go. If you skip the pole E, and you just go straight to this pole that has the little where you put the arm and you put your broom piece right here, you can make her shorter. That way, if you want to put her inside your house and you don't have 12-foot ceilings, you can just do this, and that way she'll fit in your house. And then there's gonna be like a little bit of a gap actually when you put the broom on, the broom piece that goes right here. So you're supposed to, well, you don't have to, but well, you do actually have to. You put this, and you just it's like a piece of foam paper, and with a little knife you can make little, can you see it, little lines, and you paint it to kind of match the broom, and you won't even see it because it's very low, but it helps cover that gap that's like right here, and it's you would tell that the pole's right there. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna put it together how I'm supposed to. So you're supposed to put on E. So pole E is the one you'd skip if you're gonna make her shorter, but I want to put her all the way to 12 feet. There you go. And then they want you to tilt this onto the box. Now that I did that, I have to put on part F, which is this little broom piece. I already messed up. I have to thread the cords through. So, one moment. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on H, and the shorter side is the one that goes. The shorter side is the one that goes this way. Like, it goes at the bottom. The little piece that was right here. This little piece right here. This one should have it. So I have to flip this one the other way around. Then put this one that way, and then this one, that little piece is gonna go for that one. Okay. Let me redo this. I'll be right back. I'm all over the place. I don't know. This is confusing. Okay, so let's put on this pole, and the little hole, I remember, goes this way. The little hole is so that I can snap lock I in place. So bring this little cord down the rabbit hole. Even though I'm struggling, it's still kind of fun. Okay, so There you go. Okay, so now I have to put on this piece. So this piece goes, the snap lock, I have to take this piece off me. Okay, there you go. So then that goes right here. Yeah, so, okay. Then we're, after this piece, hopefully we're done with the broomstick, I can. This piece goes right here, right? Oh, yeah, it's right there, okay. Gonna bring it in, right there, okay. Oh, that was easy. I have to put on her arm piece, so let me find it real quick. In her hand, okay, let me get her hand. This way. Where's this cord going here? Oh, the white cord. Oh, I see why. Oh, wait, did I thread? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. I'm gonna connect these little wires real quick. So this one goes... Oh, no, they don't go right there. Never mind. Okay. Well, I know these ones go over here. Wait, they don't. Never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it alone. This one goes... right here. Trying to get her arm around the pole, but it won't go. You even supposed to? It's supposed to go around the pole, right? There you go. Okay. Perfect. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. There you go. Okay. I'm going to take her dress, and I'm going to slide that arm through it. Okay. Here. So her dress is there. Now I have to dress. And then, okay, her torso now. So it goes this way. Is your box gonna hold this up? Oh, no, it's not. Uh-oh. Maybe it will. Let's see. Can it hold it up? No, her box is not gonna. Well, it's gonna hold it up for a little bit longer. Okay. So now I have to. Oh, I see now. Okay. I have to connect these wires. Okay, so I have to bring the dress all the way around her. Now I have to add her hip thing. It goes this way. Okay, so now I have to connect the wires. Okay, so now I have to attach her head. Just gonna stick her hip piece on. I believe it hooks on right here, on the very back. I have to attach her legs now. They're like these little things. So I don't think it really matters which one goes where, but you can kind of tell. That one right there. And then this one goes over here. Okay. I have to put on her foam cover. I put on the foam cover now, so now I think I have to put the little wire, this little loop to keep it together. Okay, now I just have to add her arm, her cape, her hat, and her hand. Okay, so sorry about the what I did off camera. So I put her arm on her and her cape and her hat, and then I did the little base things. But it's because my phone said it was gonna overheat, so we didn't want my phone to explode. So I did it off camera. But she's all put together now, and on the side she has a little side pouch that tells you like her volume control and her on and off sensor timer or off try me. Okay, she has all those little settings, and I think she says it in a different language, and her speaker's okay. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna turn her on and show you her demo.
How am I flying, you wonder? It's simple, really. By the powers given to me from dark magic. Would you like to do the same? All you need to do is trade me your soul. Halloween charms and magic are in the air. Come join me for a spell. And we can brew you into something delicious. They said the potion would make me stand head and shoulders above the rest of the witches. This exceeds my expectations. From where I am, you can run, but you can't hide. You better pick up the pace to escape my spell. Or you might be turned into a toad. Are you scared of heights, my pretty? Don't worry, I won't drop you right away. Halloween charms and magic are in the air. Come join me for a spell. And we can brew you into something delicious. Are you scared of heights, my pretty? Don't worry, I won't drop you right away.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe if you're there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. But remember to always stay unholy. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, bird just flew right back.